Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about feline herpes virus. The cats of any age can be affected from this virus, as this virus is really lethal for the kittens of below 2 months age. So you have to be really careful for your kittens. Now we look at what are the typical clinical signs so you can identify the virus at your own. Initially, the cat will have teary eyes and conjunctivitis. You have to start their treatment as soon as possible. Later on, you will observe the respiratory signs like nasal discharge, sneezing. There would be a serious kind of sneezing if the kittens are below of 2 months of age, and the virus proves lethal for those kittens who are non-vaccinated specifically. The adult cat would survive the feline herpes virus, but the kittens who are of below 2 months of age or 3 months of age, they would have to suffer a lot. So you have to keep a close eye to your kittens if you are having any of these signs. The kitten will have respiratory issues, shortness of breath, nasal discharge, difficult breathing, and a serious kind of sneezing. When you observe the conjunctivitis, you have to start treating the eye infection as soon as possible, and for viral diseases it is recommended to go to your nearby vet if you observe any of these signs at your home. So you have to start treating your cat's eyes with optaclone or with betnisol eye drops. You have to put 2 drops in your cat's eyes after every 2 hours. In kittens, the eyes would get closed, the eyes would get infected. You have to help your kitten to locate their litter boxes and to feed them. You have to hand feed them sometimes so that they don't get dehydrated. Second thing which is more important is the breathing issue. If you are not having a vet in your locality, so you have to treat this virus at home. Your first preference would be to avoid dehydration in your cats or your kitten. If you are having a kitten, then you should be more conscious. You should have to hand feed your kitten. If you are having a cat, he or she might not be this much affected. He will or she will keep getting their food on daily basis, or if they refuse, you have to switch them to some wet food, or you can offer them treats. But if you are having a kitten, you have to hand feed them, give them chicken stock, give them some liquid food, give them wet food. You have to keep giving them food. You have to keep hand feeding them after every 2 to 3 hours so they can never get dehydrated. That's the major target of yours to survive your kitten at home. You are treating already the eye infection, you are already treating the respiratory issue. If you will go to the vet, he will recommend you to give the IV fluid therapy twice a day. But as you are not going to your vet, so you have to keep your cat hydrated at home. The only thing you can do is to give oral liquid diet, so do it. Secondly, this virus will take almost 15 to 17 days to be treated. So you have to be really conscious, and you have to make your kitten nebulize at least thrice a day. You have to give your kitten some vasodilators. For your help, I can suggest you some vasodilators. You can use betnisol nose drops, as they really help in cats and kittens for ease in breathing. Only you have to give a syrup of Asbrip to your cats to aid their respiratory tract. And as your cat has a compromised immunity at this time, so you have to give an antibiotic to your cat for 5 days. That's the protocol you have to follow. The most important thing for feline herpes virus is the prolonged treatment and to avoid your cat from dehydration. If you are doubting your kitten or cat for a feline herpes virus, check out these clinical signs and treat your cat or kitten at home immediately. Your first preference will be your veterinarian. This video is helpful for those people who can't reach the veterinarian in their locality on the right time. So you can seek help but your first priority would be your veterinarian. If you have any query, let us know. We will answer your queries. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do like this video and share it as much as you can. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.